We're looking at number 6. Number 6 says a bank vault contains gold bars as shown that weighs approximately 25 pounds each. So if the density of gold is approximately 0.7 pounds per cubic inch, which is the following is the best estimate of the cross-sectional area of the gold bar. And I'm guessing the cross-sectional is something like this. It's all that area. Alright, so what we're going to do here is density is equal to mass divided by volume. So they gave us the density, which is 0.7 pounds per cubic inches, which is equal to the mass, which they gave us, mass, 25 pounds, all over volume. So it looks like we don't know what the volume of this situation is, and I want to know what it is. So the goal is to isolate volume. The inverse of volume, or of division, is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by, should just do that LB. It's so much easier. Multiply both sides by V. Cancels. So now we're the V times 0.7. I'm going to change the pounds to LB. It's easier to write. Inches cubed equals 25 pounds. So the inverse, we need to now get rid of volume. The volume here, the inverse of multiplication is division, so we're going to multiply both sides by, or divide both sides by 0.7. That cancels, so now we're left with volume is equal to 25 pounds, inches cubed, divided by 0.7 pounds. Pounds cancels. So now we're left with 25 divided by 0.7. And we get the volume of this piece of gold, or this gold bar, is 35.7. Yeah, that's good enough to round. 35.7 inches cubed. So we want to know what this little small part of the area is going to be. So I'm going to bring this answer over to here. I think the next thing we got to do is volume of a prism. It looks like it's a trapezoid prism, but regardless, volume is equal to the area base times the height. The height, remember the height for all prisms is the distance between the two bases. Well, if that's a trapezoid, the trapezoid is also going to be over here. I'm assuming that's what it is, but it could also be a quadrilateral. So this is our height. And we know the volume, which is 35.7 inches cubed. So we're going to plug that in. So the information we have is volume here, and then we have height here. So here we get 35.7 inches cubed is equal to the area of the base times 7 inches. Inverse of multiplication is division. Divide by 7 inches. We get 35.7 divided by 7, 5.1. inches squared equals the base of the area, which is right over here, what they want us to find. Alright, that was a lot of work, but we got it done.